Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Today we're doing puzzle number 19. If we start with this box, looks like we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 7. 8 here, so 6, 7. That means that our 8 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 covering both of these boxes and no other help, so 2, 6, 2, 6. That means our 7 has to be here, but that 7 makes this our 6, 7. For this bottom row now, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. Got a 2 here, so 3, 6, 3 here, so 2, 6, 2 here, so 3, 6. That means the only place our 2 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 5, 4 here, so 1, 5, 4 here, so 1, 5. That means the only place our 4 can be is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. Got a 3 here, so 5, 6. 3 here, so 5, 6. That means our 3 has to be here, and that 3 makes this our 6. We look at this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 6. No, up 5 here, so 6, 7. 7 here, so 5, 6. That means the only place our 7 can be is here. We look at this column, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got the 4 here, so 6, 8. 4 and 8 here. So this is our 6, 8, 4. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got the 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 has to be here. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. Got a 5 here, so 2, 6. 2 here, so 5, 6. So that means the only place our 2 can be is here. That 2 makes this our 6, 2. If we look at this top row, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 6. So the only place our 7 can be is here. If we look at this box, we're missing 5, 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 6, 8. 6 and 8 here, so 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, and 6 here. So this is our 9. And no help here, so 1, 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 6. 1 and 6 here. So that makes this our 5. We can get rid of this 5. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 4. 4 and 7 here. So this is our 3, 4, 7. For this row now, we're only missing a 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. Got the 5 here, so 1, 6. 6 here, so 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. And the 8 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 3. 3 here, so 1, 6. So our 3 has to be here. All right, looks like we're gonna have to do some cleanup here. Looks like in this box, the only place our 7 can be is here, and the only place our 8 can be is here. It looks like we're just going to have to try plugging in some numbers here. So if we make this our 5, 6, that 5 makes this our 6, that 6 makes this our 5, that 5 makes this our 1, 5, 1, that 1 makes this our 6, 5, and this is our 6, that 5 makes this our 6, 1, 5, and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.